Hi students. So let's move towards a new and next lesson of our syllabus, that is our environment. So regarding the environment and the surrounding, we are very well known about this environment. From the 5th standard we are studying this lesson. So now in this lesson we are going a little forward regarding the concept of the environment and its concepts. So first of all, once again let's recall the definition of the environment, that is the physical and the biological world where we live. That is nothing but the environment. The physical and the biological world where we live, that is the environment. The environment actually includes the physical surroundings like the air, water bodies, soil, and also the organisms such as plants, animals, human beings, and most importantly the microorganisms also. So all these things or all these constituents of the environment are depending on each other. The plants depends on the animals depends on the plants. So like this, the microorganisms also, they are very helpful for the plants and animals, so which are getting their basic needs from the plant and animal bodies, and again in return the microorganisms also giving such very important materials that are very needful to the plants and animals. So all these constituents of the environment are depending on each other. So they are interact with one another and maintain the balance in the environment in a natural way. So this dependent of the plants and animals on each other, that is nothing but the interaction. So by the process of breathing, the plants, they are sending out the oxygen on which the animals are depending, and by the process of breathing also the animals are leaving the carbon dioxide on which the plants are depending. So this is nothing but the interaction. So this is only the example. So like this only, so many things are there by which we can confirm that so one is depending on another and they are interacting each other. So human beings are the only organisms who change the natural environment to fulfill their needs. So other than human beings, no other organisms are going to disturb the nature. But here the human beings, those who have a great thinking capacity, those who have a great kind of memory power, and they can do the things which are in their favor. So the human beings are only the organisms who are going to change the natural environment. only because to fulfill their needs of food, clothing, housing, transportation, or for the development of industries, and so on. So these are all the very necessary needs for the human beings. The food, the clothing, or the housing, that is the shelter, and the transportation, and nowadays the industrial development. For these purposes, the human beings are going to change the natural environments. So in fact, the uncontrolled activities of human beings are damaging the balanced and healthy environment more and more. So regarding this concept, so the things which are used by the human beings, those are categorized into two groups. So that is the biodegradable materials and non-biodegradable materials. So regarding this concept, that is the biodegradable and non-biodegradable, we will discuss in the next lesson, and we will see in detail about the examples regarding this one. Thank you and have a nice day.